quick lesson on this song called Moving On by Aquillo. Please forgive me if I mispronounce that. You can get all excited over nothing. Okay, that is F major 7, playing it off this root on the 8th fret. You have to look up a chord diagram for that. If you, then it goes to a D minor 7. Then it goes up to an E minor 7. That's the whole song, pretty much. And then I believe they're playing like a little arpeggio up here. And that's just, let's see, I got the 13th fret and the 15th on the high E, 13th on the B, and then you go 13, 13 on the E and the B, and then you go 12 and 12. And then I think they do some kind of walk up. So it's a catchy song. I watched the video. I don't. I guess it's about his girlfriend moving on because he's blackout drunk. I don't know. I don't know what it's about. I can't tell. He gets hit by a car and then he goes out. I don't know. It's an interesting video though. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.